likes to struggle? Think about it. We don't like struggle. We avoid it at all costs. But we're told to reframe struggle as something positive. I prefer, however, to stop using the term altogether. Let's simply replace the word struggle with the word challenge. I can accept a challenge or take a challenge, rise to a challenge. A challenge stretches me and pushes me to become a better version of myself, right? Plus, it helps me see what I'm made of, as well as what's possible for me. Challenge basically helps me grow and expand. I can therefore buy into a challenge. I can accept it, like it, want more of it. But struggle? Not so much. I remember when I was at a Brendan Burchard event, and of course Brendan is my mentor. As you know, I'm a certified high performance coach, so I consider Brendan one of my mentors. And he often talks about honoring the struggle. Goes along with the saying to embrace the suck, which was the origin of that came from the Operation Iraqi Freedom, when Army Reserve Colonel Austin Bay told the members of his brigade just that, to embrace the suck. So Brendan, however, says honor the struggle, which is a little nicer. But I remember wanting to buy this, sweatshirt and sweatpants that said honor the struggle, but really struggling with it. And a friend of mine said, well, it's really not about the struggle. It's about looking at struggle differently. But all I could see was that I was focusing on struggle. I didn't want to honor the struggle. I didn't want to struggle, and I didn't want to create more struggle in my life by focusing on honoring it. So I struggled with this. Anyway, I bought them anyway, and I have worn them quite a bit. And the other day I was thinking about it. I was like, I don't know if I want to keep wearing these. I think I'm going to give them away because I don't want to struggle. I recently wrote about, things being easy instead of hard, and struggle and hard kind of go together some. I see difficult as different. But anyway, I want to stop accepting, honoring, embracing the struggle, and I want to actually move into just seeing this as challenge. Okay? I like to consider challenge as something that I rise to and that I dare to do, and that comes with more ease and chance of success. I don't want to focus on struggle because I don't want to create more of it. As I said, I want to focus on growth and expansion, because I think that's why we're here. I think that's what our lives are about. So as long as we talk about life as a struggle, it's going to feel like one. And who wants that? Not me. Probably not you. So let's choose challenge instead. Let's grow and expand through life's challenges. So that means we get to choose challenge. Choose challenges to help us grow and expand. And I get that you might feel like you don't want challenges either because they feel difficult. We all want things to be easy and comfortable and to stay in our comfort zone, and we don't want to stretch. And so saying choose challenge could be interpreted to mean that I want you to choose struggle, but that's not what I'm saying here. I want you to choose to see struggle as a challenge or a growth opportunity. And by simply making the choice to struggle, to see struggle differently, you expand your consciousness and you change your experiences of those things that you actually think or feel are difficult. And by the way, I really don't see difficult as being as different than, let me rephrase that. Difficult to me is different than struggle or something being hard, right? So we don't want to be in struggle, but we do want to choose things that are difficult because they stretch us. They're a challenge, right? So I'm suggesting that you choose a way to see your life as a challenge, or choose to see situations in your life as a challenge because they're going to make you feel more engaged, alive, energized. When you opt for challenges, you move yourself towards being your best self, achieving your goals, and fulfilling your potential. You're going to live more fully when you choose challenges. And that's exciting. That's exhilarating. Challenge puts you firmly in the moment, not in the past or in the present or in the future. And it makes you feel alive. And that's what we all want. Now, you may have experienced some real challenges, right? That forced you via the circumstances to grow and expand. Now I'm saying choose to stretch yourself, your self-concept, your skills, your beliefs, your mental and physical capacities, simply by demanding more of yourself. And that doesn't mean that this chosen challenge is any less real than those other challenges that you didn't choose. It's just different, right? It's just different because you're choosing to grow and expand and do something that might feel a little more difficult and out of your comfort zone. So if I could eradicate this word struggle from the English language, or any other language for that matter, I would. And I'd replace it with challenge. And I would ask everyone to see challenge as something that is inspiring and motivating, and a way for you to really step into your best self and to become the person you came here in this lifetime to become. Right? And so that is a victory. That is success. And that is living fully. So I hope that you will choose to grow and expand through the process of accepting and rising to challenges and meeting those challenges. And I know you can do that. I am Nina Amir, the Inspiration to Creation coach. I am a certified high performance coach, as well as an intuitive coach, and what I like to say, a transformational catalyst. So if you are interested in rising to the challenge to step into your best self, to get from wherever you are to where you want to go, to fulfill your purpose and achieve your potential, these are the things that I would love to help you with. These are the things that I am passionate about. I offer personal and spiritual growth, and I do that primarily through the Inspired Creator community up above. I have my own brand of personal and spiritual growth coaching called Inspired Results Coaching, which I offer in the Inspired Creator community. I also do one-on-one, and I also offer high performance coaching there. So certified high performance coaching and Inspired Results Coaching in the Inspired Creator community. Yes, you can hire me one-on-one. But the community is a lovely place where I offer all kinds of trainings, and there is a community, and we meet 4 times a month. And if you're a writer, there's room for you too, because we even do author coaching in there. So anyway, check it out, the Inspired Creator community, and choose some challenges for yourself. Choose some challenges for yourself that stretch you and help you grow and expand. And until I talk to you next time, go out there and achieve more inspired results. Do that with some challenges.